Here's Bharti. She recently bought herself a nice car and plans on using it for daily commute and other personal reasons. Let's look at what she paid for the car, her cash flow, and let's determine whether the car is an asset or a liability for her. Bharti purchased the car for a sum of 2 lakh rupees, or in other words, 200,000 rupees. Putting that on her cash flow, that is 2 lakh rupees flowing out of the wallet, therefore the negative sign next to it. To keep her car running, Bharti spends an additional 1000 rupees every month on car insurance and another 1000 rupees on fuel and incidentals, which makes operating expenses equal to 2000 rupees a month or 24,000 a year. Let's put that on the cash flow as well. That is an additional 24,000 flowing out of the wallet every year. Bharti keeps the car for 5 years, and that makes the total operating expenses 24,000 times 5, which is 1,20,000 rupees. At the end of the 5-year period, Bharti sells her car for 50,000 rupees. That is 50,000 rupees flowing into her wallet, and therefore the plus sign next to it. Adding all those up, Bharti spent a total of 3,20,000 rupees and got back 50,000 rupees upon selling the car. Her net cash flow from having owned the car for 5 years happens to be a negative 2,70,000 rupees. Since the net cash flow is negative, during the 5-year period, Bharti's car has been a liability. Think of liability as a possession that would take money out of the wallet. Now let's look at a different scenario. All of the numbers kept the same, but in this case, Bharti doesn't use the car only for personal reasons, but also rents it out to others when she doesn't use it. The car now generates on an average 5,000 rupees of income every month, that is 60,000 rupees a year. Let's put that on her cash flow. In this case, over a 5-year period, Bharti actually makes money by owning the car. Her cash flow is a net positive 30,000 rupees. She spent a total of 3,20,000, same as in the last case, but made 3,50,000 during the 5-year period. In this case, Bharti's car is an asset for her. Think of an asset as a possession that would put money into the wallet as against a liability that would have taken money out of the wallet. Also worth noting here is that Bharti's asset generates income passively. While her car is rented out and making money for her, Bharti can make use of the same time in doing something else. That is in a nutshell an asset, liability, and cash flow. To build wealth, possess more and more assets and reduce liabilities as much as possible. Until next time, take care.